Imposter syndrome can lead to self-sabotage. Imposter syndrome often stems from self-doubt, and it can create a negative cycle that leads to self-sabotage if we allow it to take control. It's essential to remember that self-doubt is a natural part of being human, and almost everyone experiences it at some point. However, it's crucial not to let those doubts define you or hold you back. Instead, try to reframe your thoughts and focus on your strengths and past successes. Remind yourself of the times when you've overcome challenges and achieved great things. Practice self-compassion and treat yourself with kindness, just as you would a close friend. Surround yourself with a supportive network of people who believe in you and can provide guidance and encouragement. By acknowledging your self-doubt and taking proactive steps to challenge it, you can break free from the self-sabotaging cycle and start embracing your true potential. You have the power to rewrite the narrative and achieve great things. Embracing authenticity. It's important to remember that you don't have to strive for perfection. Embracing authenticity means accepting yourself as you are, flaws and all. Recognize that your true potential lies in being genuine and true to yourself. When negative thoughts arise, challenge them. Ask yourself if they're based on facts or just self-criticism. Replace those negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Remind yourself of your strengths, achievements, and the value you bring to the table. Treat yourself with kindness and compassion, just like you would treat a dear friend. Embracing authenticity and practicing positive self-talk can help you build confidence and overcome imposter syndrome. Believe in yourself and your unique abilities. You have incredible potential within you, and by embracing your authentic self, you can achieve remarkable things. Take action. One effective way to beat imposter syndrome is by taking action. Sometimes overthinking can trap us in a cycle of self-doubt. By actively engaging in tasks and activities, we distract ourselves from negative thoughts and doubts. As you start doing things, you'll begin to realize the value you bring to others. Seeing the impact you can make and the positive difference you create will help diminish the imposter's feelings. Take small steps and focus on the process rather than worrying about the outcome. Celebrate each accomplishment along the way, no matter how small. As you accumulate experiences and achievements, you'll gain confidence in your abilities. Remember, action is a powerful antidote to overthinking and self-doubt. To overcome imposter syndrome, it's crucial to believe in yourself and have the courage to take action. Believe that you are capable and deserving of success, just like everyone else. Remember, you have unique talents, experiences, and perspectives that contribute value to the world. Trust in your abilities and embrace the fact that you are constantly growing and learning. Don't let self-doubt hold you back from taking the necessary steps toward your goals. Have the courage to step outside of your comfort zone, even if it feels scary. Taking action is key because it allows you to prove to yourself that you are capable of achieving great things. Each small step you take builds your confidence and weakens the grip of imposter syndrome. So, believe in yourself, be brave, and take that leap of faith. You have what it takes to conquer imposter syndrome and unleash your true potential.